Alright, today I'm making bulalo. This is the first time I'll be doing this on the Valentine's Day. I never thought I'd be in the kitchen like this. Pero nandito na tayo. Kinakabahan ako ng konti kasi yung wife ko, she's a chef. So, pressure is real. I've already chopped everything. Kulay na repolyo, patatas, sibuyas, corn. Ang problema, it's supposed to be beef shanks pero walang available kanina sa market. So I could have just ordered food, but no, we're making this work. Cooking is not my thing, pero effort matters this Valentine's Day. Doesn't have to be restaurant level, just has to taste good or at least edible. Okay, buti na lang maganda yung pressure cooker. Lagay ko lang lahat doon. It actually looks good, oh. May mga nakita pa ako mga collagen. Malambot yung meat at katamtaman lang ang lasa ng sabaw. Happy Valentine's Day, babe. Love you.